Hey, welcome to Geekamag, and today we're going to talk about the annoying MSVCP140.dll error on Windows 11 or 10 and how you can fix it on your system. However, we should first understand why you're getting this particular error code and what it really means. MSVCP140.dll error generally pops up when a program is unable to find or access the MSVCP140.dll file. This file is part of the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable packages which are necessary for many modern applications. When this file is missing or inaccessible in Windows 11 or 10, a certain program might fail to function at all. Luckily, there are softwares like 4DDiG DLL Fixer by Tenorshare which can help you fix the problem with some easy steps. But before we get to that, if this video helps you in any way, please consider subscribing as it motivates us to continue making such content. Now here are some common causes of the MSVCP140.dll error. There is a chance that the software that you are trying to use has some incompatibilities with your system files. In some cases, the software can be outdated and no longer support the current version of your MSVCP140.dll file. In other cases, the DLL file in question can simply be missing or corrupted. Such issues can be caused due to incomplete installation of a program or due to system file corruption. If not these, sometimes even a recent software update can create complications or incompatibilities that lead to the MSVCP140.dll error. It's worth noting that it's important to resolve this particular error as it prevents the application from malfunctioning today and even in the future. Fixing issues with system files also results in enhanced long-term stability of the system. Naturally, this also improves software's performance and keeps them running smoothly over a long period of time. Now, let's get to the tool that can help you resolve the MSVCP140.dll error. 4DDiG DLL Fixer is the one-stop shop to fix all DLL-related errors. The program scans through your computer for DLL errors, fixes corrupted, damaged, or missing DLL files, repairs startup issues with Windows programs and games, and even restores missing runtime libraries and DirectX files. The tool comes with an easy-to-use interface that can be used by anyone regardless of their tech knowledge. Luckily, you do not need to have a computer science degree to fix trivial yet confusing issues related to DLL files. Its one-click repair functionality does everything for you without any technical expertise. However, if you feel stuck at any point, their professional and free technical support is always there to help. The software has a huge DLL database that can effectively address most system file issues in softwares. 4DDiG DLL Fixer is compatible with most Windows 11 and 10 systems and can easily run on even low-end hardware. Here's how you can use the tool to fix DLL-related issues on your system. Let's start by downloading it from the official website. You can find the download link in the description. Once you open the website, click the download button and install the tool. Open the software and you can either do a full check that automatically repairs system DLL files, runtime library, and DirectX files, or if you're short on time, you can individually repair only the DLL files of your system. We recommend doing a full check for best results. Click on full check and allow the software to find abnormalities in your system. Once the scan is complete, you should be able to see all the files that need to be repaired. Click on the repair button to start the process. This can take some time depending on the number of missing or corrupted files. So grab a cup of coffee and continue with your other tasks while 4DDiG DLL Fixer does the job in the background. As you can see, the repair process has completed on my system. The tool has automatically repaired more than 200 system files with only one minor failure. Once this process is complete, you can shut down the software and verify the resolution. To do that, open the affected application and see if it still shows the MSVCP140.dll error. If the app opens without any issue, congratulations, you've fixed the error. However, it's important to note you can avoid such issues from repeating on your system. One of the best ways to avoid this problem is to always keep your system updated to the latest version. This ensures that the latest security patches, bug fixes, and updated system files are always present on your system. We also recommend always downloading software from trusted and official sources, as installing poorly coded programs can sometimes lead to DLL errors. Consistently update your system drivers to ensure maximum compatibility with your hardware. Also ensure that Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable packages are always up to date on your PC. This avoids errors related to missing or outdated files. It's worth noting that not all DLL errors require a third-party recovery software to fix the issue. You can try some common troubleshooting steps like restarting your PC, running a virus scan, reinstalling the affected program, and even updating your drivers for a potential fix. Windows has some inbuilt recovery tools like System File Checker and DISM that can help scan and repair corrupted files on your system. Updating your PC to the latest version using system restore points or even reinstalling Windows can help fix DLL related errors. However, as you might have guessed already, none of these are as easy as just using the one-click repair functionality offered by 4DDiG DLL Fixer. If you like how things are, we recommend buying a license to avail full functionality. 4DDiG DLL Fixer is part of Tenorsare's trusted suite of system utility software. These tools are trusted by millions of users worldwide. We are sure that 4DDiG's vast DLL database will ensure that the problem at hand is fixed as quickly as possible. The link to download 4DDiG DLL Fixer will be given in the description of this video. The software is not just limited to MSVCP140.dll error. Once you purchase the license, you should be able to fix a variety of system file related errors on your PC. Try it and let us know your experience with the tool. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and consider donating using the thanks button below the video. Thank you for watching.